Hello everyone and welcome. Today we are reading Food Friends, How to Make Friends Out of Food. Let's make some food friends. Materials: an assortment of fresh fruits and vegetables. Food friend 1. Need 1 strawberry halved, 1 kiwi sliced, and 6 raspberries. Step 1. Pick 2 eyes. Step 2. Choose 1 nose. Step 3. Add a mouth. Food friend 2. Materials: 2 cucumbers sliced, 1 cherry tomato, and 3 carrot sticks. Step 1. Pick 2 eyes. Step 2. Choose 1 nose. Step 3. Make a mouth. Food friend 3. Materials: 1 orange sliced in quarters, 2 blueberries, 1 strawberry halved, and 1 green bean. Step 1. Use 2 orange pieces and 2 blueberries to build the eyes. Step 2. Use 1/2 of a strawberry for the nose. And step 3. Add 1 green bean to make a mouth. A food friend. What other fruits and vegetables could you use to make food friends?